Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to Krabstrades. Today we're on episode number 2 of the NQ inversion backtesting logs. So far, we're right here. We are break even on the week. Pretty much we took a 2R win here, and then we ended up giving back profits. Here was the first trade. Let's just review this real quick. 5-minute inversion, super clean, equal highs, and then ended up giving back profits. So let's review this. Let's review these 2 trades that I lost on. Shorted with equal highs above, nice, and just got chopped up and wrong bias, sell side. Wrong drawn liquidity here, higher time frame. So yeah. That's pretty much the first week of the backtesting logs 2022. So yeah, let's get into it. We're starting on Monday the 10th here. So let's see, we got no news here. It's a no news Monday. Just mark this up. And yeah, in this backtesting, I'm documenting everything. We're gonna be backtesting all of 2022. But yeah, here's market open. Let me clean up ES. Let's hop on the daily here. Let's determine a bias. Looking at ES as well. Looks like took out all these lows here. We got daily, higher time frame, SMT, bullish SMT here. Took out all these lows. It looks like NQ just hit this daily OB. Top on the weekly though. Below us, we do have an unfilled weekly gap, which could be the drawn liquidity right now on the higher time frame. So we're gonna mark this up. Mark up that weekly gap right there. And yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that sub button. Help me reach 1,000 subs by the end of this year. That'll be your guys' Christmas gift to me. So hit that sub button. But yeah, do think the draw right now is that unfilled weekly. Looking at ES, it's a little bit uncorrelated. But yeah, higher time frame, we did just tap a daily OB here, bullish order block, which we did kind of react off of looking at it, like wicking out of there. But let's see on the 4-hour, what are we doing? We do have this level of sell side as well, so we're gonna mark that up. Looks pretty obvious right here. Sell side liquidity level there, and weekly unfilled. So I do think the draw is lower right now, even though we just tapped this order block. But yeah, also let's see, do we have higher time frame breaker? Low, high, lower, low. No, we do not. I mean, technically, high, low. No 4-hour breaker. I'm just tripping. Alright, 4-hour though. Not much. ES does have this 4-hour gap up here. Not really looking at that though, or not really too concerned about it. I do see we do have this kind of built up liquidity here, this low resistance liquidity on the hourly, these stacked highs here. So if we do trade down lower, longs could be good, but for right now I'm looking to take shorts until we do something. But yeah, we have an hourly unfilled fair value gap here, which I do think we will, or we could react off of to continue lower towards the higher time frame drawn liquidity. If we end up closing above this hourly, inversing it, then I'll be looking for longs. But yeah, right now I do think order flow is more bearish. Looking at ES as well, So yeah, let's hop down to the 15 minute. But yeah, hourly unfilled above. 15 minute, we are respecting this bearish. 15 right here, we reacted off of. So we're just going to keep that in mind, but I am looking at this hourly unfilled gap to get traded back to here before we look for shorts, ideally. But yeah, 15 minute also pretty bearish here. Respecting that. Also, let me mark up this unfilled hourly on ES to see if ES taps it first. But yeah, I believe there was no news. Yeah, no news, so we don't have to wait for any news. Looking at the 5 minute, looks like we could inverse this gap here. But yeah, let's see how market opens up. Ideally, right now, I want to see us open up higher, sweep out these highs, and then get shorts down towards the higher time frame. External liquidity, which I believe is that weekly gap. But yeah, we could take it out right now. And yeah, there's that weekly tapped. However, we do still have that 4-hour low, which I do think is a pretty clear drawn liquidity. So even though we did tap the weekly, I do think that we could continue. Or did we tap the weekly? Hold up. Yeah, we did tap the weekly. But yeah, I do think we could continue a little bit lower towards that sell side liquidity on the 4-hour. So I am still bearish here. We'll see if we can get some type of continuation model for sells. If we can create a 5 minute here, something at 940. Yeah, so we made this 5 minute and we just, wait, hold up. I don't know why it skipped so fast. Alright, this should be on 1 minute. Alright, so we created that 5 minute right there. We tapped into it right here. So I am looking for continuation if we get an entry. And we don't have an entry here, so just let price play out. If we can make a 1 minute inversion here for shorts, something like this. If we can take out this high, or if we can get SMT here, I do like the shorts, but right now I do need a sweep of liquidity. Let's see, do we have equal highs up here? We do not, I believe. Yeah, no equal highs there. Unless these are equal. Yeah, no, those aren't equal. Yeah, no equal is below. I do still think the draw is that 4-hour sell side. It just looks super obvious. Let's look at ES though, make sure ES didn't take it out, which it did not. ES looks super uncorrelated here. Also, I don't know why, but I forgot to look at my sessions. But yeah, that's just because we're so far away from any session here. Previous day is high all the way up there. But yeah, let me look at ES as well. Sessions. Yeah, we're just super far away from any session right now, so guess that's why that's why I forgot to do that. But yeah, I do still want shorts here. Let's see what time this 15 closes though. 10 a.m. Alright. Let's see if we can get SMT at this high, or if we can sweep that high and then get shorts. I would like that. That would be pretty A+ towards this 4-hour sell side. But yeah, this right here, not gonna take it. No SMT here. Yeah, I mean, technically it's like a two tick SMT, but or like one candle. But yeah, I just don't like how we left the relative equal highs like this and didn't sweep this out. I mean, the thing is, this candle on ES did sweep it, but then we didn't get an SMT here. So yeah, I don't like this short, but yeah, not gonna take it. Let's see if it works though. Actually, this is a 2 minute 53. This would be the entry, but yeah, not taking this because no SMT at the high and no sweep. But yeah, I do want to see if it plays out. Yeah, so it did end up playing out, but it just wasn't valid for me since we left these kind of relative equal highs here. Also, let's just see now. We'll wait till 10 a.m. See how 10 a.m. opens up. Yeah, now I do like longs since we have a sweep of that 4 hour. It's making me super bullish now. And we tapped into the weekly. So yeah, definitely bullish here. Let's see, what time does this close? 10 a.m. Alright. So we're also going to have an unfilled 15 minute right here, which is going to be a really good target. So yeah, 10 a.m. See how 10 a.m. opens up here. Mark this up. See if we can get open low, high close. Our nice open low. Do have this 5 minute here, still unfilled, but looks like this is the highest time frame inversion in the leg. So if we can inverse this, I'll take the longs back up. I like the sweep of this 4 hour a lot here, right there. However, 4 hour did close below it, which is a little bit sketch, but I am still bullish. I think we do want to rebalance. We still have this hourly unfilled above, so super unbalanced range here above. Super unbalanced. I think we could trade back to equilibrium. At least to equilibrium of like this leg or something, which is more than enough room for us to catch a trade in. But yeah, I think my condition here is going to be this 5 minute inversion if we can get it. However, we do have this 2 minute. Which I could try. Which actually looks super good. So yeah, I'm going to try this. Break even at this 5 minute and then full TP at the unfilled 15 above. The only issue is, I mean, this is super low, but RR here is super good, so that's why I do like this a lot. We don't have much structure, so we'll see if that's an issue, but I do like the setup a lot. Also the 10 a.m. open low. I think we do want to rebalance here. So yeah, we'll try this 2 minute. 2 minute closes at 08 right here. So yeah, let's try this long. We're gonna go break even right here at this unfilled 5 minute gap, because we could react off there if we are still bearish. But yeah, super unbalanced range above us, all these unbalanced gaps. Also, let me search for some equal highs if we have any. We have these like relative equal highs as well here. But yeah, let's try it. Stopped out, nice. So yeah, I did like this a lot. I think the issue here was that we were just super low. We didn't really have any structure to play off of, which was the main issue. But yeah, I did think we would at least rebalance to that 5 minute after we swept out this 4-hour low. And then again, we did close below it, so that could have been an issue. Reason to why this could have failed. So yeah, we're probably just too bearish right now. But yeah, this is the trade. 2 minute inversion. Failed there. So yeah, did like this. I think the issue again was we were just too low and we didn't have enough structure to go off of. But yeah, let's journal it. Delivery off the weekly, discount, 15-minute target, 5-minute target, highest time frame inversion, high momentum inversion, 2 minute, liquidity rate, unfilled hourly above. We also had open low, high close. So yeah, ton of confluences, super good. Did like that. And yeah, on a little bit of L streak right now. 3 L's in a row. But that's alright. 10:06 a.m. This was a Monday. Oh, yeah, it's also known as Monday, so makes sense. 10th here, and follow the plan. Yes, no news Monday. I think the reason here for the L most likely being too low. Being too low after a sell-off, and we didn't have enough structure. Balance here. Gonna throw that in. Down about 1 hour on the count, which is like nothing. So yeah, we're chilling. But yeah, using my 1L on the day rule for this backtesting, I'm not gonna take anything else. But we're just gonna watch now. We're gonna kind of tape read and see what else could I have possibly taken here, or what else could I take. This 3 minute. $10:30 open right here. Opening up lower. But yeah, we just look super bearish here. Do have these equal highs, which looks super good. So we're just forming more buy side liquidity now. 10:30 open up low. We still have this 5 minute unfilled, 15 minute unfilled, hourly unfilled above. Super unbalanced range here. Never even hit equilibrium. We also hit the 50% of the weekly gap. But yeah, let's see what we do here. Alright, so now we also have LRL. But yeah, not allowed to take any more trades based on my new rules, which is if I take 1L, I'm just done on that day. It's to preserve capital and avoid forcing setups after a loss. But yeah, buy side looks super good here. Took out this sell side right here. The thing is though, we're not really delivering off of much. But yeah, not really delivering off of anything. The next thing here we have is this. I was about to say 4-hour OB, but it's not even really OB like that. But yeah, internally this long does look good, so we're gonna forward test it. She looks super good, but LRL 1 minute inversion, internal liquidity was swept. Break even here. But yeah, let's see. Not taking it because we already took an L, and based on my new rules, that's something that I'm doing. So yeah, let's see if it saves us or not. Alright, so TP1 right there. Probably wouldn't TP there yet. I would be break even though, and then TP1 would be right here. I'll take off 50% since this is a super unbalanced range above. So yeah, I would have taken off 50% there. Secured about almost 1 hour probably. And the runners, so yeah, break even. TP1 break even. But yeah, this did look good because sell side sweep here, low resistance liquidity formed, 1030 open low, equal highs, unfilled gaps above, unfilled 15, unfilled hourly. But yeah, would have been break even here. Let's see if it plays out. But yeah, TP1 break even. Nice. Should take out these equal highs right here now. Alright. Rebalance that 5 minute. So yeah, this would have been a crazy trade, but would have been a break even, so not even tripping. I'd probably close out full here. 1 to 5 is more than enough for me. Equal highs we're in. But yeah, still look good internally. It's just higher time frame here. There also was not really delivery off of anything. I mean, let's look at the 15. Maybe we hit like a 15-minute order block or something. But yeah, not really much we're delivering off of. But yeah, targets did look super good, so we did forward test this, and yeah, would have been TP1 break even. So let's go the next day, or what is it, Monday. Yeah, it is also known as Monday, so we're not going to trade PM. Let's go to the next day, Tuesday, Powell at 10 a.m. So we're going to wait for that. But let's determine a bias here. Hopping on the daily. Our time frame leaning more bullish right now. Took out this low on the daily. Also, we tapped into this weekly below. unfilled daily above us, unfilled daily gap right here. Could have rebalanced there. Let's look at ES. ES looks pretty correlated. So we got this daily gap there. Let's hop on the 4 hour. We're tapping a 4 hour right now. If we end up holding this, I do like longs a lot to rebalance us, take out these highs here. We have this like low resistance liquidity as well on the hourly. This built up liquidity here, all these highs, they're just stacked highs here. Good liquidity sitting above those. So we'll mark that up. But yeah, just took out this hourly low. See how we react here. But yeah, took out that low unfilled hourly above as well. Gonna keep that in mind up here. Let's hop down to the 15 as well. But yeah, 10 a.m. news, probably wait for that. See what Powell does. Unfilled 15 here though. Check my sessions. Looks like we are closing below London low, so could be leaning more bearish here towards this low here. Sell side liquidity. And then we have PDL right there, which is previous day's low. Let's look at ES as well. So we do have SMT right now, bullish SMT with this low here. We'll see if this SMT holds or not. But yeah, let's see how we open up. Opening up lower. Alright, we do have this 930 Judas swing with this SMT here, which did not end up holding. This does look super mechanical towards this 15-minute unfilled here. Good sweep, good tap into 4 hour. This is pretty early, but I feel like this is free, at least to that 15. So we will try it. And we do also have equal highs, so that will be full TP there. Equal highs. And we are deep in a discount right now. So yeah, I do like this setup a lot. Deep in discount, holding the 0.79 retracement here. Equal highs above, unfilled 15-minute above, which will be my break even. 1 minute inversion, stop right here. 30-point stop, gonna break even here. And then we'll have TP at these equal highs. Let's see. All these gaps here kind of like liquidity voids as well. And then again, we do have this unfilled hourly, and then we have more equal highs. So here it could be worth it to leave runners as well for sure rebalance this range with the market open volume, but we do have 10 a.m. news, so I'm not going to be trading. So yeah, we're forward testing this. 10 a.m. news, Powell speaking. Gonna stick to my rules and not trade before news. Let's see if it saves us here. But yeah, it would have been break even there, and almost TP1, not TP1 yet. Yeah, so TP1 at 101, and then runners. So yeah, TP1 break even, so didn't really miss anything. But yeah, let's wait till the news. Let's follow our plan. See what Powell does. Bullish Powell. Alright, running those equal highs, so my targets were pretty good. 15-minute might close above. We still got more equal highs above. So yeah, I am still pretty bullish based on that 5-minute closure. Tapping into this 5-minute as well. We are still in a discount. Let's see the 15. Five-minute there. Do like longs, but no entry. Longs towards this equal highs here and this unfilled hourly look good. It's just I don't have a inversion to get in off of, but yeah, maybe if we can pull back a little bit more, because we are kind of premium now, a little bit premiumed. Do like longs though. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna take this 1 minute for sure. We left more equal highs here. This looks super good now. If we can get this 1 minute inversion, I will be full porting. TP1 and then TP2 up here. Let's see if we get an entry. I'm not in yet. I need this 1 minute inversion, which is now a 2 minute. Let's see if we get it. Not in yet. Alright, and 2 minute ended up holding here. Did not get an entry. So that's why we wait for the highest time frame inversion in the leg. Sometimes, like if you pre-fire like this 1 minute here, say you pre-fired it, but then the 2 minute, the highest time frame inversion in the leg is still held, then you're gonna get stopped. So yeah, gotta wait for the highest time frame inversion. Yo, do we have an entry here? I doubt we have an entry, but yo, yeah, no entry. We didn't close above. So right now we left these equal highs. Now we kind of have like almost relative equal highs. I am still bullish as well, and we did just make a 15-minute that we tapped into here, which I like a lot more for longs now as well. So right now, if we can leave a 1 minute inversion, something like this, and then get a long, yeah, that's unfortunate, but yeah, so like something like this, if we can get a long off this. Yeah, but now I do want to see a sweep of these lows. Unfilled 5 minute here. So it looks like no entries here. Nothing A plus. Yeah, now we're generating liquidity here, low resistance liquidity being generated. But yeah, let's see. Equal highs did get hit, so that's tough. Let's see if so bias was good, draw and liquidity was correct. Just had no entry on this move. This move happened after 11 a.m. So I don't know why NQ wanted to play games like this and then deliver after 11, but yeah, would have been fire if we just had a 2-minute inversion here that just gave us the long. But yeah, 2-minute here was the strongest 2-minute ever. It was just holding here, holding down price here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that day. Tuesday, we will go to PM. It is a Tuesday, so go to PM. See if there's anything in PM. Anything A+. Did leave behind these lows, which I like. Looks like we took out this hourly high. Which is SMT as well, which is cool. It's bearish SMT on the hourly. It's pretty fire. Also, we do have an hourly unfilled below us. Right there. And we are delivering off of a 15-minute here. So yeah, shorts right now look super good. Let's see if we have an internal model. Equal lows would be super good. Also, we have low resistance liquidity here built up, which I like a lot. If 1 p.m. here can open up higher, I like the longs, or the shorts, I mean. But yeah, 1 p.m. open up low, and we could flip our bias. We did tap into this hourly, but yeah, we do have that bearish SMT. But higher time frame, looking at the daily, I do think the draw is higher towards this unfilled daily, and we still have this low resistance liquidity here on the hourly, which ES did not get to yet. Did not disturb that yet. So yeah, I do like longs. We do have equal highs as well, which is fire. So yeah, let's see if we can get an entry here. Alright, so did this leave triple equal highs, or did it take it? So we left, I believe we left triple equal highs, or like relative, yeah, triple equal highs there. So yeah, I'm gonna smack this 1-minute inversion right there. It's also not a SMT or anything, so it's pretty good. And looking at this, we have a SMT at the low. Right there. Let's see higher time frame, what are we doing? 15 hourly, we're in this hourly. We bounced off the hourly. Do have this 15-minute here, which we did not tap. Which is a little bit sketch to me, but let's see if ES tapped it or not. If ES tapped it, then that's pretty fire, but yeah, ES didn't tap it, but do like the triple equal highs above. Oh wait, but we're in a 5-minute. I didn't even see that. So yeah, I'd rather get us a run lower right now. So yeah, we're in a 5-minute. I'm not gonna take a long right now off this 1-minute inversion. Could work, but yeah. Took out the equalizer. Stop would have been probably 10 points. But it didn't take this because we were inside of this 5 minute. But yeah, in hindsight, these trades that I don't take look good, but it's not following my rules. And yeah, with a partial tier though at 101, then a runner towards that high. Alright, nice. So yeah, it didn't take that though. Did look good with the SMT, but we were inside of a 5 minute, so it wouldn't be valid. But yeah, we did have this unfilled 15 below, which was a little bit sketch. So yeah, 2 p.m. here. Oh yeah, 1 p.m. open up lower as well. Nice move there. But yeah, right here we do have a higher time frame SMT here with this bearish SMT. Are in this 15 as well. Inside a 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. I'm not taking the short, but I just want to see if this would have worked. Actually, no, we left equal highs. I wonder if this short's gonna play out though. So this is SMT as well. Yo, the short actually looks pretty good. Unfilled 15 minute below. On my throat. My throat bugging. Let's see if this is the highest time frame inversion here. Which it is. SMT, sweep this high. 15 minute unfilled below. Do we have another target below? Not really. I do think the draw could be higher, so I'm just not really bearish here at all. Do think NQ wants to run this low resistance here. So I'll sit out on this. 15 minute did hold though. 15 minute unfilled. 1 minute inversion. High displacement. Run 15 point stop. It's not even worth it for the RR. Not really targets below. See, I'm not in this. Alright, would have played out there. TP1 and then TP2. But yeah, maybe I would have gotten wicked out here, maybe not. And TP1 break even. So yeah, I didn't really miss anything. I was just more bullish here though. That's why I didn't take that. Yeah, more bullish. We got the hourly and low resistance liquidity that had to get ran, or still has to get ran. But yeah, we'll go to next day. See what it is. Wednesday. Alright, nice. CPI should be pretty volatile here. 8:30 a.m. news. Let's clean up our charts here a little bit. Let's hop on the daily. But yeah, draw was good. Daily unfilled gap was hit, so good draw on liquidity there for sure. Looking at ES, pretty uncorrelated. Let's see the 4 hour. These 4 hour equal lows? Nah. So we're delivering off this 4 hour. Right there, tapped in, delivering higher now. Did sweep out this high. We'll see if we close above there. I want to see if we close above this high here. Then right here we have like this 4 hour. Got this OB. See how we react there. ES is pretty uncorrelated. Correlated. Not uncorrelated. But yeah, hourly closed above that high. So yeah, I do think we're gonna run higher here. So we got an hourly order block. Gonna keep that marked up just in case we do react there. But yeah, higher time frame, do think we want to run higher here. Tapped this 15-minute here as well. Also, we did hold this 5-minute right here though. See our sessions. So we're just closing above everything, closing above London high here. So yeah, I'm pretty bullish. See how we open up. Market open. Looks like we opened up, took out liquidity. But yeah, I am more bullish. I do like longs. Right now we don't have any targets. So yeah, I'm gonna just chill out. And we're gonna see what we do here. See if we can leave behind some equal highs or something. But yeah, right now I don't have any target. This is a breaker. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Tapped into the breaker block. We'll mark it up like this since it's a hourly. But yeah, I am pretty bullish, especially with that top reaction off the breaker. No 5-minute inversion. But yeah, I do like longs. If we can get some type of entry here. 2-minute. 2-minute here. Is a little bit premiumed. 15-minute holding. Yo, what is this? What was that? See if this 2-minute inverses. Looks like it will inverse here. 54. But I really don't have a clear target, no equal highs or anything. And we do have data lows still, which I didn't even notice. So yeah, based on this, I really don't have any bullish targets, but this 2-minute inversion could work just like towards a swing high or something, but also RR here is super cooked. So yeah, it's just not good, not a good trade. Yeah, looks like it might fail here. But yeah, just still no target. We did get this 1 minute now, but so the 1 minute somewhat played this high, probably TP1 there, and then break even. So TP1 break even there, probably secured around under 1 hour if I took that, but just not a good trade really. Let's see if we got like SMT or something here. Alright, nice. Bearish SMT. Let's look for shorts. We do have those data lows, which I do like a lot. Unfilled 3 minute as well. Alright. SMT didn't hold. But if we do inverse this 5 minute, I will try the short here. It looks like we're holding that 5 minute. Holding the 5 minute again. But yeah, now if we get it, I'm gonna take this short. Also using time here. Expecting a 30 open high low close. I like how we souped out this high as well. By using time, I mean right now it is 10:30 a.m. So if 10:30 can open up higher, tap into this 5 minute inversion. Then give us a move lower. Rebounds towards that lows maybe. I do like that for shorts a lot. But yeah, we did react off that breaker nicely. Unfilled 3 minute as well. But yeah, this looks super good. So we'll try this with a limit order since it is a 30 minute candle open or whatever. But yeah, stop loss, we're gonna actually tighten this a little bit. So yeah, we'll just run 25 points. So limit, so yeah, let's see how 10:30 opens up. Alright, so we're in there. Yo, what a bottom tick this was. Yo, what a entry. What a entry. So yeah, on these, I usually have my entry like a little bit below the actual inversion, because sometimes like for spread and stuff, or I know it's futures, but there's still like a 1 or 2 tick spread, which your broker might not fill you in at. So I always put it a little bit lower. So yeah, bottom tick here, 0 drawdown. And I believe we hit TP1 almost. Potentially. No, yeah, not TP1 yet. But yeah, TP1 for me is going to be... Is this a 5-minute word? No, we're going to be break even here though. Break even, since we did take out internal here, and 1030's kind of opening up lower as well, so I don't really want to get caught up in the 10:30 a.m. manipulation. But yeah, TP1 here will be most likely this 3-minute. But yeah, let's see. Alright, took out this level of sell side. Do have the data lows as well below us, but 3-minute unfilled. But yeah, we're definitely gonna secure a little bit, 50% there. 3-minute tapped, nice. And yeah, we're gonna leave the rest to run towards data lows. And yeah, honestly at this 3-minute, we're gonna take off a little bit more. Yeah, we're gonna take off 25%, just secure a little bit more, because 39. We'll see if this inverses. But yeah, inverse there, and full TP will be a sweep of these data lows. Also keeping in mind, ES might want to run these. So let me mark that up on ES as well. So yeah, we're just holding here. And yeah, we'll just full close once we hit data. It's more than enough for me. But yeah, not trailing stop or anything, because data lows are super high probability here. I mean, I guess we could trail to like the swing, but yeah, there we go. Data lows taken. Banger trade. Won a 5R. And secured about 2.5 bands. So you paid for all the losses, and let's see, what's 750? 2200. Alright, so we made about 3R on that, which is fire. We secured partials along the way, reducing our risk. But yeah, pretty much what I saw here was we had data lows below. We had this SMT, I believe. Or no SMT, but we had this turtle soup with these highs, which were super clean here. Then we had this 5-minute inversion here. Then we had 10:30 a.m. opening up higher, which gave us our entry off that limit, off the 5-minute. Went break even here once we took out internal liquidity. Pretty aggressive break even, because 10:30 did kind of open up lower here. We did wake up a little bit, but only a few ticks. And yeah, then TP1 was at this internal here about 1.8 RR. And at this 3 minute, secured a little bit more, secured about 25% more here. And then our final runner towards data lows here hit full TP. So yeah, banger trade. And yeah, 1 to 5. Super clean day. Entry was at 10:30 a.m. and straight up zero drawdown trade. Straight up bottom ticked it. But yeah, if I would have had my limit anywhere higher, would have missed the move. So I always like to put my limits when I do take like open high low closes into an inversion. I like to put them a little bit like below, so it doesn't actually have to exactly tap the inversion because like spread. But yeah, banger trade. And yeah, let's journal this. So yeah, this trade right here just paid for all the L's that we took before. So yeah, this is why RR is pretty important. And also closing partials, stuff like that. This was on Wednesday the 12th. Right there. Day of the week, I think Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. $10:30 a.m. Win made about 1.5% here. Plus 3R. Five-minute inversion, liquidity rate, highest time frame inversion, high momentum inversion, data lows below, unfilled 3 minute as well. And yeah, clean trade there. Throw the chart right here. Screenshot this. Straight bottom tick. Banger. So yeah, followed the plan. We had 8:30 news. Psychology good. Balance. Made back profit from the L's from before. But yeah. Let's see what else can we say. Good job putting the limit on 10:30 open high low close. A little below though, because sometimes it's exactly. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Banger trade ended off. And yeah, until next time, I'll catch you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you guys aren't subbed yet, hit that sub button right now. Help me get to 1,000 subs. Actually, hit that sub button for this final trade here. This deserves a sub right here. But yeah, until next time, peace.